Hello and welcome students. Students, today we are going to study about the poem of your English Marigold book, and the name of the poem is Hiawatha. First of all, we will know that who was Hiawatha. So let us read the poem and know about Hiawatha. Hiawatha was a young red Indian boy. He lived with his old grandmother Nokomis in a wigwam. Nokomis taught Hiawatha about the wonders around them. She told him about the stars, trees, the insects, the birds, the animals, and many other things. Hiawatha grew up to love them all. He could talk to the birds and the animals, and they to him. हिवाता कौन था? तो स्टूडेंट्स, हिवाता वॉज अ यंग रेड इंडियन बॉय. हिवाता एक रेड इंडियन बॉय था. ही लिव्ड विद हिज ओल्ड ग्रैंड मदर नोकोमिस इन अ wigwam. And what is the meaning of wigwam? Wigwam is a kind of tent which shaped is like a cone. हिवाता अपनी ओल्ड ग्रैंड मदर के साथ एक wigwam में रहता था. Nokomis taught Hiawatha about the wonders around them. Nokomis, जो कि हिवाता की ग्रैंड मदर थी, उन्होंने हिवाता को अपने जो चारों तरफ वंडर्स हैं, जो चारों तरफ हमारे ट्रीज हैं, स्टार्स हैं, इनके बारे में हिवाता को बताया और सिखाया. She told him about the stars. उन्होंने उसे स्टार्स के बारे में बताया, ट्रीज के बारे में बताया, इंसेक्ट्स के बारे में बताया, बर्ड्स, एनिमल्स और बहुत सारी जो चीजें हैं उनके बारे में भी हिवाता को उन्होंने अवेयर किया. हिवाता ग्रू अप टू लव देम ऑल. और हिवाता इन सारी बातों को, इन सारी चीजों को पसंद करते हुए बड़ा होने लगा. He could talk to the birds and the animals and they to him. हिवाता जो है वो बर्ड्स और एनिमल्स की लैंग्वेज को जानने लगा था, समझने लगा था, और एनिमल्स एंड बर्ड्स भी उसकी लैंग्वेज को जानते थे और उससे बातें करते थे. नाउ देन द लिटिल हिवाता लर्नड ऑफ एवरी बर्ड्स इट्स लैंग्वेज. अब लिटिल हिवाता जो है वो सारे बर्ड्स की लैंग्वेज को अच्छे से जानने लगा था. Learned their names and all their secrets. He knew all the secrets of the birds and he knew also their names. How they built their nests in summer. उसको यह भी पता चल गया था कि ये जो बर्ड्स हैं ये समर में अपने नेस्ट को कैसे बनाती हैं. Where they hid themselves in winter. और विंटर में वो अपने आप को कैसे बचाती हैं. Talked with them whenever he met them. और जब भी हिवाता बर्ड से मिलता था तो उनसे वो ढेर सारी बातें किया करता था. Called him हिवाता's chickens. और हिवाता बर्ड्स को इतना ज्यादा लाइक करता था, इतना ज्यादा लव करता था कि हिवाता उनको चिकन्स बोलता था. Now let us move. Of all beasts he learned the language. केवल बर्ड्स की लैंग्वेज ही नहीं बल्कि हिवाता वाइल्ड एनिमल्स की लैंग्वेज को भी बहुत अच्छे से जानने लगा था, समझने लगा था. Learned their names and all their secrets. उनके भी नेम और उनके भी सीक्रेट्स he knew very well. How the beavers built their lodges. Beaver is a kind of animal and beavers अपने लॉजेस यानी कि छोटे छोटे घरों को कैसे बनाते हैं, अपने को सेफ रखने के लिए वो घर बनाते हैं और कैसे बनाते हैं. हिवाता knew this. Where the squirrels hid their acorn. और squirrels अपने acorn. Students, acorn is a fruit of oak tree. oak tree का जो fruit होता है that is called acorn. तो squirrels अपने acorns को कहाँ छिपाती थी ये भी हिवाता को बहुत अच्छे से पता था. How the reindeers ran so swiftly. reindeers इतना स्विफ्टली कैसे दौड़ सकते हैं. हिवाता knew this. why the rabbit was so timid and why the rabbit is a shy animal or a fearful animal. Hiawatha knew this, talked with them whenever he met them, और हिवाता उनसे भी बात किया करता था जब भी वह उनसे मिलता था. Called them हिवाता's brother. और हिवाता एनिमल्स को भी उतना ही लव करता था, उतना ही लाइक करता था जितना कि बर्ड्स को, और एनिमल्स को वह अपना ब्रदर्स बोलता था. एंड दिस वाज योर पोएम एंड द पोएट ऑफ दिस पोएम इज H.W. Longfellow. Now we are going towards the new words of this chapter. Wigwam, beavers, acorns, reindeer and timid. Now there is book exercise, students. Reading is fun. Who was Hiawatha? So we know Hiawatha was a young red Indian boy. Who was Nokomis? Nokomis was Hiawatha's old grandmother. जो Nokomis थी वो हिवाता की old grandmother थी. What did he learn about the birds? तो हमने अभी पढ़ा था that Hiawatha knew all the secrets of the birds and their names also he knew well. वो बहुत अच्छे से उनके names को, उनकी language को और उनके secrets को जानता था. As their name and secrets, how they build their nests in summer and where they hide themselves in winter. He knew that. What secrets did he learn about beasts? Hiawatha learned the language of the beasts. Due to this, he learned many things about the beasts, such as क्या क्या जानता था वो beasts के बारे में? Their names and secrets, how beavers built their lodges, where the squirrels hid their acorns, how the reindeer ran so swiftly. Now, next activity is Next activity, do you think that Hiawatha liked learning new languages? Yes, of course. Hiawatha liked learning new languages. Hiawatha called the birds chickens and the beasts brothers. What do you think this shows? So students, this shows that Hiawatha loved birds and animals very much. Do birds have secrets? Yes, of course. Birds have secrets. Now next, say aloud: squirrel, quarrel, queen, quick, quill, quilt, quite, quality. Now next, let us see, where do the following live? Birds live in, we have to write the living places of these animals and birds. Birds live in nests. Very good. Rabbits, burrows, beavers, lodges, and describe Hiawatha, his home, and his friends in 10 lines. You have to write about Hiawatha in 10 lines. Then let us start. Hiawatha was a young little red Indian boy. He used to live with his grandmother called Nokomis. He learned the different languages of birds and beasts. He was kind and loving by nature. He lived in wigwam. It was a dome-shaped hut made by fastening mats, skins or bark over a framework of poles. He called the birds Hiawatha's chicken. Hiawatha used to talk to the birds and animals whenever they met. He came to know their names and all their secrets. Hiawatha used to call beasts his brother. Now next activity. What did Hiawatha love? Hiawatha loved the birds, the animals, the trees, the stars and all the things of the nature. Now match A with B and write the complete sentences below. You have to match the A words with the B words, like whenever I am hungry, I eat. Whoever comes first wins. Wherever I go, I have friends. You have to write these sentences. Complete the following stories by using an appropriate word from the box given below. Ram was a farmer. He wanted to sell his goats and sheep. So he went to the market. There he sold all his animals to a rich man and got a lot of money. When he was going back to his village, three thieves stopped him. Stop, give us all your money. Ram was very clever. He said, I will give my money to the strongest of you. On hearing this, the thieves started fighting amongst themselves. Ram slipped away quietly. Okay, now next. Sitting on a tree, a crow was enjoying a piece of bread. A hungry fox wanted to have that bread. He said very sweetly, Dear brother, I have heard that your voice is very sweet. Please sing a song for me. The foolish crow opened his beak and the piece of the bread fell down. The fox picked up in his mouth and ran away. Now, the last activity is here. Some words have similar sounds but different meanings. Some words, कुछ वर्ड्स जो होते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, वो सुनने में सिमिलर होते हैं, उनकी साउंड सिमिलर होती है बट मीनिंग उनके डिफरेंट होते हैं. चूज द करेक्ट वर्ड फ्रॉम द बॉक्स एंड फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. द बर्ड सिट्स ऑन अ bow, B-O-U-G-H, bow. The squirrel has a long tail, T-A-I-L. I have to leave at 2, T-W-O. The sum is right, R-I-G-H-T. I can hear, H-E-A-R. The bird's song. Do you know, K-N-O-W, know. A secret. The king sits on the throne, T-H-R-O-N-E, throne. He is our school principal, P-R-I-N-C-I-P-A-L. With this chapter is finished. This poem is finished. Thank you, students.